Are we alone in the universe? It's a question humanity has whispered, shouted, and speculated about for centuries. Every night we look up at the stars, those distant points of light scattered across the black velvet of space, and wonder, are we the only ones here, or is the cosmos teeming with life we cannot yet see? Some would say the answer is unknowable. Others suspect that governments, secretive and enigmatic, are hiding truths somewhere deep underground. Area 51, for example. Is it concealing alien technology, or just Colonel Sanders' secret fried chicken recipe? For now, we cannot say. But science, patient and relentless, has been trying to unravel this mystery for decades. It all began in 1961 with an American astronomer named Frank Drake. Drake had gathered a small group of brilliant minds, 12 in total, to discuss humanity's search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Among them were luminaries like Carl Sagan, who would later become a household name, and Melvin Calvin, a future Nobel Prize winner. Yet, in typical human fashion, there was a problem. Drake had forgotten to prepare an agenda. With only days to spare, he needed something substantial for his esteemed guests to discuss. Instead of fluff or trivial presentations, he did something extraordinary. He created a formula, a simple calculation to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. Today we know it as the Drake equation, 7 variables multiplied together to answer a question that could otherwise seem impossible. How many civilizations like ours could be out there, hidden among the billions of stars? The equation considers the rate at which stars form in the Milky Way, how many of those stars have planets, how many of those planets could potentially support life, the chance life actually emerges on those worlds, the probability that life becomes intelligent, the fraction of intelligent civilizations that might broadcast signals detectable across the stars, and finally, how long those civilizations survive while sending such signals. Some of these numbers we can estimate. Some, like the likelihood of life developing intelligence, remain shrouded in mystery. But here's the staggering truth. Our galaxy alone may host 40 billion Earth-sized planets orbiting sun-like stars. 40 billion chances for life to ignite somewhere out there. And yet, we hear nothing. This silence leads us to a question first asked over 70 years ago by physicist Enrico Fermi. While having lunch with colleagues, Fermi asked a simple yet profound question: where is everybody? It sounds casual, almost offhand, but he meant it. Given the age of the universe, the number of stars, and the probability of life, shouldn't intelligent civilizations be everywhere by now? Fermi reasoned that even if interstellar travel is slow, a species could theoretically colonize a galaxy in 10 million years, a blink of an eye on cosmic timescales. Yet we see no evidence, no signals, no traces. And that is the essence of the Fermi paradox. So why haven't we encountered our cosmic neighbors? One explanation is the concept of the Great Filter. This is the idea that somewhere along the path from simple matter to intelligent spacefaring civilization, there exists a hurdle so immense, so improbable, that very few species ever surpass it. It could be something early, like the emergence of life itself, abiogenesis, which took nearly 1 billion years on Earth. Or it could be a later leap, like the evolution of complex cells that took nearly 2 billion years. If the Great Filter is behind us, then we are extraordinarily lucky. We have passed the impossible, making humanity potentially one of the universe's rare intelligent civilizations. But if it lies ahead, then the odds are grim. Some catastrophe, environmental, technological, or otherwise, might await us, preventing civilizations from ever reaching the stars. History gives us one clear example: war. Every advanced civilization that gains the power to destroy itself might do so before spreading into space. On Earth, we have already glimpsed our destructive potential. Nuclear weapons, climate change, pandemics, tools and technology often outpace our wisdom. Could self-destruction be the reason we see silence in the cosmos? Are intelligent species inherently doomed to obliterate themselves before they leave their homeworlds? It's a terrifying possibility, but not the only one. Another theory is that civilizations simply choose to remain silent. Imagine a super-advanced species, powerful beyond comprehension, who eliminates any potential rivals before they can arise. Perhaps they watch, quietly, as we bumble along, unaware of the predators lurking in the cosmic shadows. Stephen Hawking once warned that contact with such civilizations might be disastrous, much like when Columbus arrived in the Americas. The more advanced always dominate, the less advanced. Or perhaps they simply avoid us, practicing a kind of cosmic prime directive, letting emerging species develop naturally, without interference. Maybe the reason we haven't found intelligent life is more mundane. We are looking for the wrong things. We focus on Earth-like planets, sun-like stars, and radio signals because that's what we understand. But what if alien life is unimaginably different? Perhaps their communication doesn't involve radio waves at all. Perhaps their technology evolved along entirely alien pathways, leaving no trace we could recognize. Consider dolphins on Earth, intelligent, social, yet they have never built telescopes or sent radio signals. Intelligence does not guarantee the technology we expect. Then, there's the sheer scale of space. The Milky Way is vast, so vast that light takes 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. And our observable universe? A sphere 93 billion light-years across, containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Even if signals are sent, they may never reach us in our lifetime, or at all. An alien civilization in Andromeda, for instance, would see Earth as it was 2.5 million years ago, long before humans existed. So, are we alone? Perhaps not. Perhaps the universe teems with life beyond our comprehension, hidden by distance, silence, or caution. Or perhaps we truly are rare, a lone beacon in a cosmic ocean. Either way, the search continues. Every telescope trained skyward, every signal scanned by SETI, every probe sent to distant worlds is a step toward discovering the truth. We may not know the answer today, or tomorrow, but humanity's curiosity will not stop. And maybe one day, we will finally hear the answer echo back across the stars. Keep looking up, because the universe is far bigger, stranger, and more beautiful than we can imagine.